Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're having a great weekend. It is Sunday, and I'm Cami McNamara. I own WebCami LLC. I'm also the author of the Web Designer Habits newsletter. And every Sunday, I record a video and put my newsletter together to go out tomorrow to everyone who is a subscriber. And I share a habit that will make your business run better as a web designer. And there are small habits that you can focus on each week so you're not overwhelmed. This is a big habit, though. This is a habit that completely changed my life. And I don't know what I would do without it. And that is build recurring revenue. So, first up, if you want to sign up for my newsletter, please go to webdesignerhabits.com. You can listen to this on WebCami Podcast. And if you like my content, I would love for you to give me a like here on YouTube because I'm trying to build my channel. So building recurring revenue was a complete game changer for me. And I started my care plan in 2015. I manage over 200 websites a month now. And that number's kind of holding steady. I've had a few clients that have closed their businesses recently, and it's kind of evening out with the new clients that I'm adding. But honestly, I have no idea what I would do without recurring revenue. I remember the days of just constantly hustling to get new clients. And I'll be honest, right now, those inquiries have slowed down. I think the high gas prices and just kind of like the pinch that we're all feeling is affecting not only us as business owners, but also us as business owners providing services to other business. But I feel like everybody's getting a squeeze these days. So what my care plan has enabled me to do is to just kind of have a set amount of money that I know I'm going to have coming in every month with the subscriptions that I have. And I'm able to weather the storms better. I'm also doing it because it makes it easier for me to take care of my client websites. If they're in a care plan, and I use Managed WP, there are other tools out there. I mentioned this in my newsletter. Find the one that works best for you. Managed WP is like tried and true for me. I don't know what I would do without it. And if you have a system like that, then it just makes your job easier. Sending a report with your recurring revenue, if you're doing a care plan, I think is key. And whether you're helping out with SEO or whatever you're doing, if you can send some kind of report to the client each month that lets them know what you did, that's good visibility for you. It's an opportunity for the client to think, oh, I have something for, Cami to do. When that report hits their inbox, it always generates some sort of ask from my client. So that keeps us in contact. It makes them know I'm helping them. And, maybe care plan isn't what you want to do. Maybe you'd rather write blog posts or offer AI training for your clients. I'm considering doing this because I have clients that are sending me things that aren't great for their websites, and I'd really like to help them with that. So, and I use ChatGPT every single day. I'm still a designer. I'm not turning that over yet, but it does help me a lot with all of my processes. So the habit this week is just to, one, do you have a recurring revenue plan for your business? And if you don't, put thought into creating one. That doesn't mean you have to get it all set up and done. Just start thinking about it. If you already have a plan, what can you do to improve it? What pain points do you have? I just kind of went through this on Memorial Day. I worked for 10 hours. Yes, I did. Working on my own business. And I uploaded my proposal doc, my care plan offer, a copy of one of my estimates. And I asked ChatGPT to help me refine my offerings so they're more successful. And that was a great thing to do. So you have this great tool in whatever AI you're using, and having it analyze your steps in your recurring services. Also, what are the incoming things clients are constantly asking you to do? That is a big tell on what you could offer that could help you. So, this week, I just encourage you to think about recurring revenue, what you can do to create it and maintain it, and what you can do to improve it. You can sign up at my newsletter, webdesignerhabits.com. I have a Facebook group for web designers called WebCami Cafe. I would love a like and a comment on my YouTube channel. And, I just really want web designers to feel less anxiety every month. And that is something that a recurring revenue offer could really help you with. So have a great Sunday. Have a great work week. And if you ever want to reach out, you can always send me an email, Cami@webcami.com. I would love to hear from you and hear about your business. And my Facebook group is filled with some wonderful, supportive web designers that are all there to help each other. And we all want to succeed. So have a great Sunday. Have a great work week. I'll see you next week with a new habit.